Hi everybody, today we are going to see about thermochromatic cups. What is thermochromatic cups? It is also known as color changing cups or heat sensitive cups. These cups change the color when exposed to temperature variation. These cups incorporate a thermochromic material that undergoes a reversible color change in response to temperature fluctuation. The thermochromic material used in these cups contains pigments or dyes that are sensitive to temperature. They have a specific activation temperature at which they transition from one color to another. When a hot beverage is poured into the cup, the heat causes the thermochromic material to react, resulting in a visible color change. As the cup cools down, or when a cold beverage is poured, the cup returns to its original color. The color change effects adds an element of novelty and entertainment to the cup. It can be a fun way to engage with your beverage and create an interactive experience. Different designs and pattern can be printed on the cups, allowing from various visual effects when exposed to heat.